Alright, since a lot of people asked me how to clean an avocado, you just need one tool, and that is the old knife. Just cut it lengthwise, twist. Look at this karate chop. And now just you do some lines here. Easy. See? Easy. Alright, let me get the bowl and I'll show you one hand, right? You just squeeze and it will come out easy. Take your knife, open it, and because you're a greedy motherfucker, scrape everything and clean. Next, this one, same procedure. It's one hand, guys, and it's not messy at all. Okay, get it open. Same thing, just scrape everything. Okay, it's a little bit messy, but whatever. We have water and we can wash ourselves. So yeah, mission accomplished. Look at this. Very easy, quick, and with just one fucking tool.